Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to invite participants to a Google Meet meeting in 2026. First, open Google Meet and start a new meeting or join an existing meeting. Once you are in the meeting, go to the top left corner of the screen and click the meeting information icon. This will open the meeting details panel. Here you can see the meeting information and the invitation options. To invite participants, click Copy Joining Info. Google Meet will copy the meeting invitation details, including the meeting link. You can share this meeting link with anyone you want to invite. They can use the link to join your Google Meet meeting. This is one of the easiest and fastest ways to invite participants in Google Meet. That's it. This is how you can invite participants to Google Meet in 2026. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Google Meet tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.